With the GeoResearch platform, we can create search filters that will let us identify our customers in order to generate commercial and marketing actions specific to the geographic variables, thus becoming our Geographic CRM. The first step is selecting the Customers option on the Home menu. Then we select our Customers database, which was previously normalized and geo-enriched on GeoResearch. Then we will see the Create Filters window open. Here we will be able to visualize all the associated fields in our Customers database. Next, under the option to Create Filters, select the criteria that identify the customer you wish to search. For instance, channel or store used to purchase, socioeconomic level, age ranges, and place of residence. Once filters have been created, we choose an icon as an indicator, and we save our filter for further visualization. The system will ask us to assign a name to our filter. Then a list of filters appears on the lower part of the Home menu, where the filter we created will be, along with the different options for geographic visualization. We can select the As Points on Map icon to see each customer's specific location and information, the Cluster option to visualize how they are geographically grouped, or the Heat map to see concentrations. Finally, we can choose the Excel spreadsheet icon to export the information to an Excel table. This document contains all the information that has previously been uploaded to our customer's database. Through the information GeoResearch provides, it is possible to achieve a more efficient commercial management of our business.